Question 10. What is that sea whose shore is speech? What is that pearl which is found in its depths? Answer 10. Being is the sea. Speech is the shore. The shells are letters. The pearls, knowledge of the heart. In every wave it casts up 1,000 royal pearls of traditions and holy sayings and texts. Every moment 1,000 waves rise out of it, yet it never becomes less by one drop. Knowledge has its being from that sea. The covering of its pearls are voice and letters. Since mysteries are here shown in an allegory, it is necessary to have recourse to illustration.